welcome back to my channel. It's like a short little video today, and yes, I have my stitch mask today. I got it from my friend just to wear it for one day. Just to wear it for one day. And before we start this video, welcome if you're new, welcome. And before we start the video, subscribe, like, and share if you have. And let's get started. So this morning, I started hiccuping. I couldn't stop it, but then I remembered that I have a trick. That if you are tired of your hiccups, step one, get a glass of water. Then drink the water, hold it in your mouth as a bubble, spin 3 times with your fingers up, swallow the water, see if your hiccups is gone for 10 seconds. If it's gone, that's good. Now, I'm going to show you what I mean by that. I'm going to put some water. I have a glass of water right here, and I'm going to put it in my mouth. It doesn't matter what cup you use. It's gone. See? I told you it works. If you don't believe me, well, if you didn't believe me, just try it right now. It'll work. Wait, how did that actually work? It's going to be an easy question. Just wait. I told you it's going to work, guys. Told you. Well, this was the only video that maybe I'm going to make some more posts today. But please try this at home. It will work so good.